Diego did not like his name. It was a Spanish name, but Diego didn't even speak Spanish. People always assumed he did, though. In fact, Diego wasn't even Hispanic. Diego also didn't like it because it didn't sound cool. Diego wanted to change his name to something like Brandon or Brock. Diego told his parents that he wanted to change his name. His parents were furious. "This is the name we gave you. By changing it, you're going against our wishes," his mom said. His dad said, "Why don't you just tell people to call you something else? Don't legally change it, though." Diego felt that if he did that, people would just ignore him and continue calling him Diego. Diego tried what his parents suggested. At school, he told his friends and teachers to call him Brock. His friends laughed at him and asked him why. His teachers were okay with it, but they kept calling him Diego accidentally. Since Diego was already 13, it was hard for people who had known him for a long time to call him by any other name.